Is it time to buy or sell Galaxy Digital stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Galaxy Digital. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 11th of September, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 11th of September, 2025, our system has ranked Galaxy Digital as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.78. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it develops in the days ahead. The stock is positioned in the midst of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 25.2% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between 1.87% and 55.45%. Our latest daily update for Galaxy Digital includes the headline, Volatile Ride for Galaxy Digital Stock Price on Thursday, moving between $26.19 and $29.73. The Galaxy Digital stock price gained 10.7% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 11th of September, 2025, rising from $26.08 to $28.87. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 13.52% from a day low at $26.19 to a day high of $29.73. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 18.27% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day, along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 3 million more shares traded than the day before. In total, 14 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $404,680,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of stock was $33.16, and the lowest price was $17.40. Currently, the price is 12.92% or $4.29, below the 52-week high of $33.16, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Galaxy Digital is stacking tangible growth cues this week. Its custody arm GK8 won a mandate from Korea's BDACS to standardize on GK8's Vault, UMPC, and orchestration, a clear institutional win that should boost recurring custody revenues and credibility in Asia. Galaxy also led a PIPE investment of $1.65 billion into Forward Industries to seed a Solana-focused treasury strategy, signaling active capital deployment and deepening exposure to Solana and tokenized asset markets. Earlier this month, Galaxy tokenized its own public shares on Solana with Superstate, opening a new on-chain liquidity channel that could attract crypto-native investors and increase trading turnover. On the infrastructure side, the company closed a project financing of $1.4 billion to accelerate its Helios AI and HPC data center build-out, underpinning a longer-term shift towards stable contract-based hosting income. Management strengthened legal and regulatory capacity with a new chief legal officer, reducing execution and compliance risk. In the short term, expect positive sentiment, higher volume, and volatility as investors reprice growth prospects. In the long term, successful execution of custody rollouts, data center revenue, and tokenization adoption could materially raise enterprise value. But execution delays, regulatory shifts, and cryptocurrency market swings remain key risks. Analyst ratings on Tuesday, the 5th of August, 2025, it was reported that BTIG assigned GLXY a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Galaxy Digital stock a general sell rating. The price-to-earnings ratio has been rated as a strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio is also classified as sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have issued a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Galaxy Digital. The Galaxy Digital stock presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. However, there exists a general sell signal based on the relationship between these averages, as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During downturns, support is anticipated at levels around $25.22 and $26.56. A decline below either of these points will trigger sell signals. Moreover, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. There is also a rise in volume accompanying the price increase, which is viewed as a favorable technical indicator. Some negative signals have been generated, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Thursday, July 24, 2025, and thus far the stock has decreased by approximately 9.47%. Further decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals that you might find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots indicate a sell signal from 35 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal from 50 days ago. The short-term moving average gives a buy signal from 5 days ago. The long-term moving average presents a buy signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 15 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average has a buy signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 41 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for Galaxy Digital. Galaxy Digital establishes support at a price of $27.45, which may present a buying opportunity. An upward reaction is anticipated when this support level is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements and, with solid trading volume, the associated risk is considered medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $3.54, representing a change of 13.52%. During the past week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 8.34%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Galaxy Digital, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies experience downtimes, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 4th of November, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 29 cents. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Galaxy Digital. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Galaxy Digital is at $29.11. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a key level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Galaxy Digital faces its first support level at $27.45. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Galaxy Digital from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Friedrich Matthew W., who bought and sold 540,000 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the most recent 91 insider trades, we found the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 81.752. In total, insiders purchased 438,847,508 shares and sold 41,704,359 shares in the last 91 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $27.24, reflecting a decline of 5.64%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, which indicates a medium level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 34 days ago. Is Galaxy Digital stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for Galaxy Digital stock to perform well in the near future. Based on our updated analysis, we have revised our recommendation for this stock from a sell to a buy candidate. After examining the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is somewhat overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 12th of September, we anticipate that Galaxy Digital will open lower by approximately 0.0607 of a dollar, starting at $28.26. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With best regards from all of us here at StockInvest.